Vertebral artery which supply the brain runs through small foramens in cervical vertebrae. In some cases, cracking your neck too hard can damage vertebral artery. It can also cause blood clotting, which can be dangerous as it blocks blood flow to your brain. Anyone with a history of strokes, injuries to their neck, or problems with blood vessels, taking blood thinning medication, should avoid cracking their back and neck. You should visit your doctor if your joint cracking is associated with any pain, limited motion, joint swelling, stiffness, or other concerning symptoms. Aside from the fact that knuckle crackling isn't bad or harmful, it can still be annoying to the people around you, or they may find it disturbing while they are trying to work. Breaking this habit is difficult but not impossible.